I want to thank all of you for joining us here today for the Sníne Elementary School groundbreaking ceremony. We are very privileged to be here on the unceded territory of the Secwepemc people, specifically to Kamloops-to-Secwepemc Nation. So the Kamloops-Thompson School District has been really having the idea of an elementary school in the Pineview Valley area since 2014.
Sníne Elementary is going to be the second largest elementary school next to Parcrest. It's going to have an operating capacity of 453 students, and it's going to be an amazing place on this topography of a hill next to Python Lake and all the land-based learning, as well as one of the most beautiful Indigenous gardens that we've planned, and being able to carry that out and invite people in will be phenomenal.
And making the Kamloops Secwepemc language a norm, hopefully. So Sníne was picked out, recommended out actually by some of our elders. Jackie worked really hard. Our committee met. I was a part of the committee with Jackie, so it's a great honor to be able to be here today and be a part of the groundbreaking. So on behalf of the Kamloops Chief and Council, we are absolutely thankful for involving us in this process. And this is going to set the bar high for other municipalities and other school districts to work with their local First Nations as well. So good job, guys. Good job, SD73. You guys are amazing. So Cook's Jam to everybody.
We are very proud that Sníne Elementary is the first Secwepemc school name in our district. That is something that we are incredibly proud of, and we really do appreciate the work of everyone who is involved in the naming committee. We recognize that the name Sníne represents the word for owl, which symbolizes strength, wisdom, and guidance, which we think is very fitting for the students who will be coming to attend and be a part of the school community over the many years to come.
Our mission is to support learning opportunities that inspire students to thrive. And I know on this beautiful land that we are at right now, we will next time be together with a beautiful new school. So Cook's Gem, I can't wait to see you again. Thank you.